Today I'll be sharing with you how I put together a coastal themed tiered tray for my coffee bar. Welcome to my channel. This is JunkerNecker and my name is Leah. Please subscribe if you love budget decor. This is part of a new monthly collaboration that was created by Rebecca of Meadowhill Home and DIY. Before I begin my video, I would like to apologize to Rebecca for writing down the wrong date on this. And I'd also like to tell you to check out the playlist and add your own after this video. Now this is the current situation on my coffee bar, and I've got to take all this down before I put up some new items, but I'm going to do this tiered tray first to see if I'm really liking the coastal decor for this area. And this is a DIY tiered tray. I found this little piece for 10 cents at a thrift store, but the colors were too dark for me, so I'm just going to give it a one coat of apple barrel white paint to subdue those colors down, and then add some sparkle Mod Podge, my new favorite item to have in my craft stash. And I'm sorry the sparkle doesn't come through on the camera, but believe me, it's there and it's gorgeous. Now I'm going to make some more starfish, so let me give you an update on that dough that I made a week ago. I stored it in the refrigerator for 7 days, and the only difference that I can see is it tended to be a little more crumbly, and I only had to bake these for half the amount of time. I don't know if maybe I got these flatter, but anyway, that's the difference. For these two starfish, I'm painting them solid rather than dry brushing, and then I'm going to go all over those again with the sparkle Mod Podge. I went with a little bit darker color on one of the starfish in the folk art color called Patina. Now it's time to decorate the tiered tray. So I'm going to set this on a hula skirt, and I have 8 of these fish mugs, but I'm only going to put 4 on the tray. The other 4 are going to go on the shelf above my coffee station. You can see it's sitting on a hula skirt, and my husband put together this Dollar Tree sailboat, and he glued Darth Vader on the front of it, but Darth Vader's not going to show. Stuck that on the top. Added in some tropical looking greenery on the bottom with our little fish that we did an upcycle on. Then I've got this fish car with a cat driver, salt and pepper shakers that's going on the top. Added in that little walrus cutesy find from a thrift store, and then my larger starfish on bottom, the medium one on top. I added some nautical rope to hang over this side, and part of a package of Dollar Tree nautical style cutouts, and I just popped them here and there wherever I could get them to stand out. Here's your ship's wheel. So yeah, that's how my tiered tray turned out. When I actually get it on the coffee bar, I'm probably going to put my cinnamon, nutmeg, pumpkin spice, all that stuff on the top, so I'll have to shift around a little bit for that. But I really like how it turned out. I really love the colors. Very summery, beachy, coastal, nautical vibe. And here's another view from above. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up.